Gee, color, baby. You like coloring?
Yeah, I color it. Oh. I did it. Mama.
Color, baby.
Okay. Okay. Oh, good.
You draw a pretty picture for Grandma?
Yeah.
Yay, come on, color.
It's okay.
Look at all this room you got to color. You laying on your belly and coloring?
You want a different color?
Yeah.
Here, how about you use this one?
Okay.
Give the other
Give
one
me
to
that one
Coco.
back. Here, you use this one. Here you go. Thank you.
You color yourself. You color by yourself.
Sheepy, come here. Come here. Come here. Here, turn around. Let me see this real quick. Lay on your belly. Come here. Lay by Coco. Lay right here. Lay on your belly. Okay, come here. Let me see your hand. Put it down. Ready? We're going to draw your hand somehow.
That dog is awfully big, Coco.
I know. Can I break it?
I don't know how you're going to... Hold on a minute, baby.
It's okay if I get it. This is very difficult. Oh, Shelby, don't move. This is going to be all kinds of retarded. Look at Mama.
Look at Mama. We got country bangs today. Yeah, you want color?
Yeah.
You want color? Shelby's hand! Yay!
Do you want to use that one? There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're yourself.
You color. You did it. You almost did a star, actually. Look at it. It's almost a star. Mm-hmm. Look at Mama.
Look at Mama.
Say, you did it. Look at, there's a birdie.
Look, see the bird?
You like the birds?
Yeah.
You love birds?
I got it.
You coloring?
Yeah, I got it. 7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9. What happened to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6?
And I know.
You don't know.
It's there.
It's right there? I don't see nothing right there.
I got it.
No, you can color right there.
Look at, you want to see a butterfly?
I did Baba too.
Look, Coco draw you a butterfly.
That's my Baba.
What are you
drawing?
doing?
What are you drawing?
I don't know. Color.
You coloring?
Color.
What are you
Oh.
coloring? What are you making?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, that's wet.
Oh, it's cold. It's cold.
It's like 90 degrees out here. And the grass is cold.
It is. Because it's wet. You are just a Picasso.
I did it.
You did it.
I
Why are you drawing on your hand?
Same reason she drew over her name.
Your butt is erasing everything.
I got it.
So your butt is
want different
erasing.
Yeah.
Look at your butt. Stand up. Stand up. Let me check out your butt.
No.
No, I just want to look, baby.
Give me that piece back.
Okay. Let's go.
Thank you. What do you say?
Please.
No, I said thank you.
Thank you.
What do you say?
Welcome.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I got it.
You got her.
I got it.
Pretty, huh?
It's pretty.
Baby. I got my ears done. I got
Look
my
at that butt. It's covered in chalk.
I got it.
See, it's a good eraser, Mama.
Thank you.
What are you drawing?
I know my picture.
Your picture.
picture?
I got it.
You got her.
Look at. Coco, make a flower.
My
You have one.
okay.
Coco, draw you a flower.
Okay.
There you go.
Let's go.
Oh, you're welcome. Come draw down here.
Okay.
Draw.
Are you drawing grass?
What? You want me to draw another butterfly? No? What do you want? You want a different color? No, you have to give me that one if you want one. Which one do you want?
It's the same one you got.
But it's different, Mama.
It's different. Why are you going back down there? Because you erased it all with your butt?
Oh, okay.
Color, Coco, color. Little Miss Nazi over there. Coco's coloring.
That's what I have to say.
Yay.
Huh? I do again? Okay.
What's she doing again?
You come color over here. You've already colored that spot like 5 times.
See, but I keep racing it with my butt.
You color.
Okay.
Okay.
You coloring? You like coloring?
Yeah.
It's pretty, huh?
Yeah. I did it.
You did it? Alright, Mama's gonna turn off the camera and say bye.
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 Good.
Say love you.
Exit.
You wanna kiss it? No. Say bye.
Bye.